Hey, it's Shane here from Massive List, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to read some subject emails just so you can get an idea of what stands out. And I know I mentioned in one of my other videos that over the past 7 years I've probably read over 100,000 emails. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but when you think about it, it's only 40 emails a day. If you spread it out to 14 years, that's 20 emails a day. And it doesn't take you very long. That's like 20 minutes, 40 minutes a day. You can get through a lot of emails, I'm telling you. But if you do it consistently, every single day, whenever you subscribe to a newsletter or whatever it is, study them, study the emails, and just pay attention. If you don't have any other time to read the emails, then just pay attention to the subject lines. So I'm just going to read some out to you, and feel free to let me know in the comments what you think as well. Alright, so here's one subject. If you want to ignite your coaching business, ... 120,000 per year for life from Google, ... Time is running out on this, ... The idea is to create a little bit of curiosity. That's the name of the game. If you can make them curious so that they can click on your email, and then the idea is the first paragraph should allow the person to read the next paragraph, and then the next paragraph, and all the way down. So here's another subject. Replay. Is this true? Question mark, ... or semicolon. Final call. Ending soon. Only minutes left. The one thing that you must avoid today. This ends today. Time to leave the pack behind. I made a little note that there was actually 5 emails sent out in one day by this person. Crazy. Insane. But hey, if it works, all the more power to you. From Commodore 64 to 8 figures, so you can tell who this is tailored for, because I don't think my son would know who or what a Commodore 64 is. I used to actually play on a Commodore 64 and a VIC-20. Used to have a VIC-20. Anyways, let's see. Let's read from... there's all kinds of stuff. We can talk about ebooks and all that. Sometimes it's a cool idea to actually have an ebook and tell them in your email that they can download this ebook, no opt-in whatsoever. Just go grab it, download it, done. And then inside the ebook, you put a link to a webinar, or maybe it's a payment link, whatever it is, to get them to another page. But you're giving them something for free first, without any catches. But inside your ebook, that's where you put all your links. So let me just read some more subjects. This is from Russ Ruffino. What millionaires know. Pastamania, ... Missing cat found after 5 years. That kind of, even though I don't like cats, it kind of piqued my interest a little bit. The 3 clients you should never work with, because his company is called Clients on Demand. So he talks a lot about clients, how to get clients, how to coach, all this stuff. One subject was RE: hey. That's it. Regarding hey. That's it. It's short and sweet, and it's different from all your other emails. Sometimes you just need to mix it up a bit. Huge chunky head. Closing the doors. The coming TikTok revolution. Feet. That's it. That's all he wrote, is just feet. Success leaves clues. Enroll clients from 5 to 25K. That seems to be the magic number. If you want to get people's attention, 5 to 25K, 6K to 20,000, that kind of range, especially if it's in your subject. And write out the numbers. Don't spell, if you're saying 5K, don't write out FIVE, just put 5K. bad news, thriving. And here's some stuff from Tai Lopez. Learn the secrets I used to build 100 million. It's kind of catchy. This is what I would want as a superpower. Makes me curious. What 99% of the people don't know about making ... Piques my curiosity. I don't want to be one of the 99%. What's it going to take? ? How to build a business that lets you travel the world. Kind of curious. So you can do this type of thing, and sometimes what's a good idea too is always have a link in your email for them to do the next thing, whether that's go to a website, go to another part of your website. Maybe it's going to Facebook group, maybe it's a video that you have on YouTube, maybe it's an ebook link, whatever it is, but have a link, and those links usually show up in blue. In fact, sometimes it's a good idea to reword the link and call it, like, for example, Tai made one. He had his name, Tai, and then the first paragraph was 2 sentences. And then he said, I made this video explaining how it works. And that's a link. Another paragraph, and then at the bottom he put, this video explains how this business works. That's another link. So he just reworded it, takes you to the same place. But you can put tags on all that stuff, and then that way you can tell which wording worked better. And then at the bottom, stay strong, Tai, that's it. And a little disclaimer at the bottom, which maybe we'll talk about in another video. But that's it for today. That just gives you a little snapshot. Subjects are very important because you want to get people to actually open up your email. So if this is of interest to you, then go to visit my website, massivelists.com. I have a free course, free video course, where I walk you through some of this stuff. Absolutely free. It may not be free forever, but you can go check it out right now. All you have to do is just, if you like the video, I do a quick little presentation on this whole list building, how to build a massive list. If you like that, then subscribe for my free video course. Pretty straightforward. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.